So in this part of the course, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to buy crypto on Coinbase. So if you're using the Coinbase platform, this video is going to be for you. And if you're not using the Coinbase platform and you're using ShakePay, be sure to skip this video and go to the next video because I show you how to use ShakePay in the next video. But the first thing I'm going to say is if you don't already have the Coinbase app on your phone, make sure you go and download it. It's going to look just like this right here. Now you're going to be using this app on your phone to buy coins. I don't actually use the one on the computer, I use the one on the phone, and so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on your phone. And it is the same thing on the computer and phone, but I'm just going to show you on your phone since most people do buy it there. Now real quick, one thing I want to mention is before you actually can use your Coinbase account, I believe it's going to ask you some security questions. It might ask you for some private information, like it might ask you for your social security number, and it also might ask you, I believe, for your ID, so photo ID, and you do have to send that information because this is kind of like a bank account. So just make sure you add that information because you need to have it in order to use the account. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do when you get into the account, click on settings here. So I just want to make sure you have this in the beginning. You may or may not already have it if you set up your account before, but basically to actually buy the Bitcoin, you need to have a payment method. So I actually use my bank account to buy Bitcoin or any other coin, or I use PayPal. So if you don't already have your bank account connected or different money, basically make sure you click on add a payment method, and you're going to have the option to use PayPal or a credit card or a debit card to buy these coins. So just make sure you go ahead and select that and then just add your bank account or whatever it is that you're going to pay with. So if I want right now, I can go ahead and add my card number, and then whenever I buy a coin on Coinbase, I basically just use my bank account to buy it. So once you have your payment method connected here, you're all good to go. Okay, so now I kind of want to show you around the app and show you how you can use it. Okay, so here we are on the home page, and you don't really have much here on the home page. It doesn't really matter too much. You might see some news and stuff like that, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, now the next thing that you want to do is go to portfolio. And on portfolio, it's basically just going to show you how much money you have in crypto. As you can see here, if I scroll down, it shows me all the coins that I can actually buy. And if I want to buy any of these, I can go ahead and do that. But as you can see, I only have money in Bitcoin. As you can see, it says $275 in Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you guys basically how you would buy Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on it. And if you scroll down, you're going to see the trade button. So click on trade. And here it says buy Bitcoin, so I'm going to click on that. So when you've created your account in the beginning, it's going to ask you to connect something like your bank account or anything like that. And I already showed you guys this. So as you can see here, I have my bank account connected, and my daily limit to buy with my bank account is $375. So if I want right now, I could buy $375 worth of Bitcoin. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so as you can see, it gives you all the information here. So it tells me what the price is of Bitcoin currently. It tells you the payment method, which is my bank. It tells you how much it's gonna cost me, and it also tells you the Coinbase fee. So whenever you buy Bitcoin or any coin, you have to pay a little fee. And as you can see, the fee that I have to pay is $14. And so if you want to buy it, you just click buy now, and that would be really it. And if you want to buy any other coin, you do the exact same thing. So now I'm going to show you how it's going to work with Ethereum, since that's basically my favorite one, or one of my favorite ones, and how to buy that. Now let's say you're having a hard time finding a coin. You can click on prices and then just search up the coin you want. This is also another way to buy it, so you don't always have to buy it from the portfolio section. You can also buy it from the prices section. So I'm going to go ahead and search up Ethereum. Okay, so as you can see, we have Ethereum there, the very first one. It is ETH. I'm going to click on it here. And if obviously if I want to buy it, I click on trade. And I buy it, and then I do the exact same thing that I did before, and I can just buy it. And like I told you guys before, once you do buy it, you're gonna actually see it in your portfolio. So click portfolio here, and it's gonna show you here your total balance. As you guys see, my balance is $275. So it's that simple to actually start buying Bitcoin or even Ethereum or any coin that you want. And of course, if you were just curious on the other coins that you could buy, click on prices if you want, and just see all the coins that are available on Coinbase that you can buy. And like I told you guys before, these coins aren't as good as Bitcoin and Ethereum. I would personally put most of my money in Bitcoin and also Ethereum. I wouldn't really touch the other coins since they are a little bit more risky. But I mean, if you did want to look into another coin, you obviously could, and you could buy some if you want. I don't know if you guys have heard about Dogecoin, but this is basically a meme coin that people just buy for fun. Now this coin obviously is very risky, and the only reason people are buying this coin is because Elon Musk is talking about it a lot, just as a joke. But this is actually not a good coin to buy, so let's go back. And actually, one more thing I want to mention here. If you can see, it says this asset is not supported by Coinbase. So you actually can't buy this in Coinbase. Not all coins are in Coinbase, only a few are. And so if it says this asset is not supported by Coinbase, that means you're not going to be able to buy it anyways. But yeah, that's exactly how you use Coinbase to buy Bitcoin or any type of crypto that you want. Now, one thing I want to show you really quickly is, let's say you actually want to sell your coins. I'm going to show you how to do that. So go to portfolio and then click on the coin that you want to sell. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin. Now I'm going to click on trade. And as you can see, it gives me the option to sell Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on sell. And then now you can just put in the amount that you want to sell. So it says I have available $275.55 to sell. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to put that number in. And then I'm going to click preview sell. And then here it gives me all the information I need. It tells me how much I have to pay for the fee, because you always have to pay a fee when you buy and sell Bitcoin. But if I did want to sell it, all I have to do is click on sell now, and that would basically be it. Also, real quick, I just want to mention that since you did sign up with that special link I gave you, you can get a free $10 reward. But to actually get that free $10 reward, you do have to actually first buy $100 worth of Bitcoin or Ethereum. And once you do that, then you're going to get the free $10 reward. So anyways, I think it's a pretty good deal for yourself to get that free $10. And starting off with $100 to invest in crypto honestly sounds like a good place to start. That's how much I started off with at first. So if you want to go ahead and invest $100 right now, you will receive that $10 bonus.